What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I lost my voice today, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking, but basically what we're doing today, I'm just gonna be measuring out the whole interior of this and basically getting all of this prep to get into the car. So basically measuring out the hoops and everything. Basically hoop. Find a place for the hoop to get into place originally now. So hoop's about 51 inches from here to here. I'm gonna take the half of this and take the center to get the center point, but I'm gonna get the line on the truck first where I'm gonna put the holes at. So see what we get with that. All right, guys, so I got the holes cut in. I got the seats removed, of course. Got everything situated here. Got the holes here for this the bar to go down into the frame. I gotta wait till tomorrow to weld it because my welder will not melt the two together because it's too thick of metal, and this little guy will not do it. So I'm gonna get a MIG welder and weld it that way. And plus, they recommend it anyway. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with hopefully some progress. All right, guys, so I got the welder all set up here. It's my grandfather's welder, so I take very good care of it. All we gotta do here is get the loop in, get these installed first. This is what's basically gonna go into here, which I'll show you. So yeah, 4 of these guys. Here's the one. So basically you have these things here. You weld these on right here. Weld them onto the frame. The roll bar will actually go right onto this thing here. So weld onto the top of here. And then you're all set. You weld onto there, do on the other side. Same thing will go for when the roll cage arms are here. They go like this right down to there. They'll go weld right underneath here somewhere. And then yeah, so basically that's what basically all the steps are. It's just basically just measuring, cutting, and that's the most complicated part about putting a roll cage in, just measuring. And if you gotta bend the pipe, that's also the most complicated part of it. So, but that's all done for us, and now we're just gonna go install it. All right, guys, so what's going on here? I got this thing all situated in here. Got this all up here. I got that side welded in there. I might have to wait to do this tomorrow because I don't have enough cutting blades for the grinder, so I might have to hold off on that. But this is what it looks like underneath here. Other than just tack weld still. Just kind of tack weld. That's not really tack weld there, but that's all tack weld there. That's all like that in there. That is what this side looks like from here. It's got it all situated here. It's all level. Everything's leveled. Show you what this side looks like. So basically I have it welded there. Coming down to here, I grinded this off like that. A little like L kind of. Maybe a little like tilted L right here. But so got this all situated here. So tomorrow, hopefully we'll be getting the rest of that side welded in. I might do the ones I go back there. I'm not quite sure yet, but see how it goes. I might have to get more gas because this is like literally on that one notch up. So see what it looks like after. Well, I guess I'll show you guys when this pretty much that side gets done, and then you know before I weld the thing fully in. All right, guys. So we got the whole roll cage installed. I got the net here installed. This comes right off just like this. Just basically drop it over the door usually, but I have it open. So, but other than that, guys, I got the roll cage all here installed. The welds don't look terrible. That one looks good especially, but over there looks decently good over there also. I'll just show you guys one of these brackets here, just so you guys can see what I did here. So basically I just made a nice thick weld all around there, all down there. This guy all up here installed, or welded, installed too. It works, both terms work. So now the only thing I'm waiting for is actually I ordered a race seat. So I'm gonna take the brackets off the other seat and mount it onto the race seat. So we're waiting for that. Should be coming today. Tires just came in. We got some Mickey Thompsons. Other than that, I was gonna get Nitos, but the Nitos weren't coming until like November 30th, and race is in next week, so couldn't do that. So other than that, yeah, waiting for race seats. Gotta do the harness after that, and we'll be all set to go. This project's almost done. The hard part's over. Now we just gotta get to the simple stuff. All right, guys, and here is the brackets. We'll be taking off this seat to go put it on the race seat. Basically, just I think 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this whole thing comes off and hopefully bolt right onto the race seat we have inside. All right, guys, so we just got our race seat, our delivery. This is gonna be the seat. At least I hope this is a seat. Let's get this open. All right. Kahoo. Probably upside down. Yep, that's what I said. It was me upside down. Yep, so here's the race seat. Oh, wow, this thing's really, really light. So here's the seat. Basically, sit just like that. Let's see. Let's go sit in it. See how we. All right. So actually, to be honest, it's pretty comfortable. I got a cover for it too. So we got Shadow Wado here checking it out, right, girl? Right? You got me a little. Yeah, you smell me more than the seat. Like, oh, we got a little. It's like a little rocker. There's a little rocker in the seat, but so we got a bracket outside. Oop. Okay. So we got a bracket outside. What we're gonna do is we're gonna basically bracket to the bottom of this thing. At least that's the plan. That's the hope and dreams. So shouldn't be a problem. So I'm gonna go see if that all fits together, and then hopefully we work out in the end of this. All right, guys. So we got the hold on. Okay, there we go. So we got the truck all finished up here. Roll cage is all installed, all 100%. We all saw that already. We got the seat here installed. We got the brackets in. We just got to tighten up the belts actually now. But we got these all installed, that installed, the underneath one installed. What else do we got here? We saw the net already. We saw the roll cage. I'll show you guys the roll cage already. But yeah, here's the seat. The seat looks really nice. It's really comfy. I got the cushion, so it's nice and you know, my booty's not getting rock hard on a piece of metal going doom doom doom. So got that all done, got it all settled. Only thing I gotta do now is, like I said, clean the truck out, get all the stuff out. Shout out Wado is walking away over there, hopefully not getting in trouble. We're just waiting on rims. Long story short is they gave me the wrong rims. I need 15, they gave me 16, so I'm waiting for those. We got the tires, we got the extra tires, we got everything we need. So with that being said, guys, truck's almost done. Well, it is done, just gotta clean up tires, and we'll be rolling on the road. And this Thursday coming up. So this video I think should be coming out on Monday. So literally 3 days from now. Well, Tuesday, Wednesday, yep, Thursday, technically 2 days to do anything. So still a lot of work to do. So I gotta get cleaned up. Trailer is basically all prepped. Doing an oil change on the Tahoe way over there, and we'll be all set to go for a nice 19-hour car ride. So listen, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like down below. Comment down below what you guys think about the Danger Ranger and what we got here done here. And subscribe to the channel to go see the race coming up soon. Hopefully I'll be posting that video. I'll be posting a practice, which is on Friday. I'll be posting a video that night of this practice, and then I'll be posting the race either probably not Saturday night, because I'll probably go about celebrating Saturday night. If win or lose, probably just go out to dinner. But Sunday video will be coming out, and so you guys enjoy that. So go subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.